Hi, my name is Bruce Stewart. I'm a technical service manager with FMC located out of Choctaw, Oklahoma. I cover Oklahoma, Kansas, and the northern Texas Panhandle.
And I'm Greg Justice, and I live in Stillwater, Oklahoma, and I'm the retail marketing manager for the body of Oklahoma. Bruce, as we get a little bit closer to peanut planting time, peanuts in Oklahoma, it's not a huge amount of acres, but we have anywhere between 16 and 20,000 acres of peanuts. And honestly, FMC has a great portfolio when it comes to peanuts, from herbicides, fungicides, and insecticides. Herbicides like the Anthem Flex, fungicides like our Lucento fungicide, and then of course with our insecticides, the Elevis insect control and Vantacor insect control. And I just kind of wanted to talk briefly about those products and what we could do to help our producers have a great year for peanuts and put a lot of peanuts in the bin this year.
You're right, Greg. We got a great portfolio of products for peanuts. Starting off with Anthem Flex, it's a combination product, contains two different active ingredients, carfentrazone and pyroxasulfone. So that's two classes of chemistry, group 14 and 15. So it really provides a good broad spectrum control of weeds and also very long lasting control as well. The pyroxasulfone in this mixture really provides longer residual control of weeds than other group 15 herbicides. So this product can go out kind of at cracking all the way up through pod development, and then it should be going out about between 3 to 3.5 fluid ounces per acre. So it's going to control really those important broadleaf weeds like palmer especially, and then some of those important grassy weeds as well like the panicum species.
You bet. And with the fungicides in peanuts, it's really unique versus any other crop that we grow, because oftentimes we'll have multiple fungicide applications in peanuts. And we have a great product with Lucento fungicide that we can use in peanuts. We would typically like to see at least 2 of those applications in peanuts receive that Lucento fungicide treatment. That's typically done at about 5.5 fluid ounces. The great thing about Lucento is it's a combination. It has a group 3 and a group 7. So it has the SDHI and the triazole both in that mix. And we've seen some unbelievable results when we've incorporated at least 2 of those applications of Lucento in that portfolio for peanuts.
You're right, Greg. And the 2 important diseases, or maybe 3, is those early and late leaf blight, and then also that white mold. It does a great job against as well.
Yeah, Bruce, the last thing I kind of wanted to discuss a little bit was the insect control that we have in peanuts. And we have 2 really great products that I kind of wanted to briefly mention, and that is Elevis insect control and Vantacor insect control. Maybe a little bit about the rates that we would use and some of the main species that we can control and help the producers when it comes to our peanut crop.
You're right, Greg. I'll tell you, we have a couple of really nice insect control products, and Elevis being one of them that I'll talk about first, contains bifenthrin and Rynaxypyr. So kind of 2 completely different insecticides, modes of action. It contains bifenthrin, that's a pyrethroid, really quick acting, fairly long residual, and very broad spectrum. Then you have Rynaxypyr that's very kind of specific for caterpillars and leps and also grasshoppers, and it's a diamide. So you bring those 2 together and you really have a nice, very broad spectrum, long-lasting product. So this product goes out around 6 to 8 fluid ounces per acre and does an excellent job in controlling, as I mentioned, grasshoppers, caterpillars, just many of the other pests, lesser cornstalk borers, and other things that can cause you problems in peanuts. We also have Vantacor, which is comprised just of Rynaxypyr, so it's specific towards those caterpillars and also grasshoppers. And it's going to do a nice job in protecting that foliage and keeping that plant clean of those pests. And it's going to be going out around that 1.2 fluid ounce per acre rate.
You bet. Well, I tell you what, FMC has a great portfolio when it comes to our peanut crop, and I just felt like it would be a good opportunity for us to share a few of the things on herbicides, fungicides, and insecticides that we have available for producers to use. So I really appreciate the opportunity to just kind of briefly hit the high points of those products, and hope that we can help you guys grow the kind of peanuts that we'd like to see, not only in Oklahoma, but in Texas and across the U.S.
Thanks.